Hi, I'm AI Albert for ourfeeds.com. Here's a free method to build endless custom tools with an easy browser trick that is sure to make you much more productive in countless ways. First, install a free browser plugin that will open web pages in a sidebar. You can find one for both Firefox and Chrome. Check below for more info. I'm using Firefox in this video. Once installed, you can open and use two web pages at the same time. For example, open Google Sheets to store, manage, and calculate data while researching investments, ROIs, sports scores, and more. Even better is since the sidebar windows are web pages, making your own sidebar web pages can multiply your productivity exponentially. Here's an example of a custom sidebar web page you can have for free. It's really simple but very potent. It has its own optional AI chat area that you can add to make your AI even more effective. See below for details to get it for yourself. It also has a couple of text areas, workspaces, drop-down areas with buttons that enter prompts in the text areas, and basic links. You don't need text areas, drop-downs, or buttons, although they do make organizing and using the sidebar page easier. You can just make a list of your most used prompts, just copy them as needed. Add any notes and links if you want. You can also use the free custom sidebar page and easily delete, add, or change any of the buttons and drop-down areas any way you want. In this example, Perplexity AI is open in the left and our custom sidebar page is in the right. We can create prompts and prompt buttons just for working with chatbots, like our Feedsbox AI, Perplexity, ChatGPT, Claude, and others. You can also create custom buttons to use with your email service, with buttons for creating content, call to actions, email subject lines, and more. Create buttons and prompts to use alongside your WordPress admin. Not only will your custom sidebar pages, buttons, and prompts maximize your content making and SEO, think about how many free WordPress plugins you can use that will become even more powerful with handy access to AI. Do you use AI art makers like Midjourney, Dolly, or any of the others? Make a custom sidebar with all of your favorite prompts in a convenient sidebar you made just for you. And these are just the tip of the iceberg. You can make your own sidebar pages using a WYSIWYG web page app, text editor, or a CMS like WordPress. And to use them in a browser sidebar, they need to be on the web. And anything you can add to a web page, you can open in either the left or right pane of your browser window. And you can open pretty much any two pages on the web for any reason, and they don't have to be custom pages you make. Think of all the possibilities for your clients, your friends, family, and yourself. Take it from a rocket scientist. The demand for AI is ready to blast off with everyone needing it. The market for this is literally everyone with any kind of device with an internet connection. This is an excellent opportunity to help yourself and others for little or zero cost. This is a very simple but effective way to make AI better and easier for virtually everyone. Hurry! Go grab your free custom prompt page now. Every second you delay is another second wasted in a black hole of the content making universe. It's the fastest and easiest way to improve your content exponentially.